How to make Windows 7 log off from Samba shared drive, manually or automatically. How do I make Windows 7 log off from a password-protected Samba network drive?
Open CMD, type netuse x:/delete or netuse v, where x column is your drive in var. Step by step. View all network connections. Example output. Using the remote name, we can disconnect using one of the following statements, depending on which one we want to disconnect from. Or example output, given the above way. Another way to disconnect from every share is to execute netuse/delete. This will disconnect every network share you're currently connected to. This is still quicker than logging off and back on. If you want to create an icon to automatically disconnect all network shares using a GUI method, you can do the following. Right-click on a blank area of the folder you want to add the shortcut to. Point to New in GT shortcut and click. Type netuse/delete/y for the command, then click Next. Give it a name and click Finish. You can also specify a certain network share, if known in advance, and use that one instead. Using the /y automatically select the Yes option in the command.
Open Notepad. Copy-paste save as a BAT file extension. BAT, create a shortcut. Edit the shortcut to an icon of your choosing. Upon double-click, the command will be run and a GUI pop-up box will say the message and go away in 5 seconds or wait 5 seconds till appearing. We use this quite a bit at work. Smile.
Veovan flosy poddychamy, lasy tam silny skrzyping.